Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Once again, Dr. Aqil Ahmed from Lahore, Pakistan is here. Today we will discuss the problem of diarrhea and the diarrhea which occurs in winter season especially when there is a seasonal change. As you know our format, first of all we will discuss what is diarrhea. Secondly, we will discuss the causes of diarrhea, and on third we will discuss the complications of diarrhea, and finally inshallah we will discuss the homeopathic medicine of diarrhea. So first of all, what is diarrhea? Basically diarrhea is a condition where feces come into the shape of water, so it is called diarrhea. Now we will discuss the causes of diarrhea. The first cause of diarrhea is an infection. The second cause of diarrhea may be there is change in diet. Excessive drinking of wine can also create the problem of diarrhea. Sometimes you take the type of food which stomach cannot tolerate. Sometimes intolerance of diet can also create the problem of diarrhea. Inflammatory bowel disease can also be the one of reason of diarrhea, and the malabsorption is also another reason of diarrhea. So these were the reason of diarrhea. Now we will discuss what are the possible complications of diarrhea. First of all, there will be dehydration. On second position, there can be a shock. Patient can get into shock totally, and it can be fatal also. The other complication may be in the shape of electrolyte loss, and the patient may face the problem of hypoglycemia and septicemia. Now we will discuss the homeopathic mode of treatment of diarrhea. If there is a seasonal change and weather is going to change from warm to cold, then the following medicine, you can see the list of medicine on your screen right now: Dulcamara, Suraninum and Phosphoric Acidum. These are the best medicine, especially when condition is that there is a change in weather and we are going from warm to cold. The second condition, if there is a cold weather, then Dulcamara is the best medicine in that condition. The third condition may be in the damp weather, there would be a diarrhea. Calcarea calm and rhododendron can be good medicine for curing this type of diarrhea. And if there is a condition of winter, if there is a severe winter and any patient has diarrhea, then nitric acid can work very good. And finally, if there is a diarrhea in autumn, then you can consider the following medicine. You can see the medicine name on your screen right now. If there is autumn and any patient has the diarrhea, then there are two medicines available in homeopathy basically. One name is colchicum and the other medicine name is iris. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching our program. Please keep watching and keep liking our channel. The next video we will shoot, that will be about the pain in changing weather, the pain in especially your extremities in changing weather. So if you want to receive the notification when we will upload the video, then please like our channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Dr. Aqil Ahmed, Lahore, Pakistan.